first word that comes to mind when thinking about, one word to describe Sur-Seal is excellence. And excellence is a standard, it's not a goal. We expect excellence in manufacturing. We expect excellence in responding to customer questions. We expect excellence in working with our vendors. And I think excellence is something that we strive to meet every single day. And that's what makes it fun, because excellence is not something that you just stumble across and you suddenly become excellent without trying. It's a commitment to the discipline. It's getting up early. And having the meetings, discussions. It's working through obstacles that come up. And excellence is what we strive for. And I think our customers respect and appreciate that that's what we strive to be.